Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying which right you need: composition, master recording, or both. Once you know, reach out to the publisher or label. Explain your dance video use, territory, and duration. If you prefer speed, choose a licensed library or purchase a sync license. That often includes clearance for online platforms. Make sure to save all correspondence and invoice details for proof. Now that you have the license option, prepare choreography and rough edit to match the license segment you secured. Next, align your choreography to the exact licensed portion of the track. Mark start and end times in seconds, and cut tightly so the license matches what you use. Then embed metadata into the video file and description: song title, writer, license ID, and licensor contact. When uploading, choose the correct territory and monetization settings specified by the license, and attach the license PDF where platforms allow. Once done, monitor the platform's claim system and keep receipts for future disputes or revocations. Finally, publish the dance video with the license attached and a clear credit line in the description so viewers and platforms see authorization. After release, watch for copyright notices. If one appears, respond immediately with your license ID, timestamps, and supplier emails. If a dispute persists, you can replace the track with a cleared alternative, mute the segment, or follow the platform's dispute process. Make sure your evidence is organized. One troubleshooting tip: keep backups of all original files and written permissions to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.